Gucci, plus I got this brand in me. Really, yellow dancing on me, so she smell the green on me. And she straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna be. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's so.
Eating only 7-Eleven for a day. Let's go!
Ano ba, gising na magkukontent ka, patayo na dyan. Ala.
Good morning, guys. So, ginising ako agad ni Bunch. 11 a.m. na. So, magbe-breakfast tayo. Alam niyo na kung saan. Papunta na kami. And yung 7-Eleven dito, guys, sobrang layo. Like, sa kabilang barangay pa. Hulaan niyo kung nasan ako. Nasa isang branch ako na binigay sa akin ni Daddy. Thank you, taxpayers! Wow, ang daming choices, oh. Umagang-umaga, samgyup sa lagad. Ayan. Balik mo yan. Ano na naman to? Bayaran mo to, ah. Sabi, di ba breakfast lang? Parang mag-fiesta na tayo dito, eh. Let's eat! So, itry na natin tong spam musubi. Yan. Masasarap yun sa Japan, pero masarap din naman to. Meron tayong samgyupsal. Oh! Baho, ah.
Wow, ah.
Next is lasagna!
Favorite ko yan.
Masarap siya, guys. Mantikan ko na makalimutan itong matcha latte from Chingu. Di ko siya gusto. Parang lasang artificial.
Sarap niya!
Two types of people. Naubos namin. Baka sabihin niya, hindi namin inubos. It's lunchtime, guys! So, kakain na naman tayo. Bosh, gusto ko ng pad thai.
Hindi po, ate. Kaya nga 24 hours 7-Eleven challenge.
May kinikrave na akong ibang pagkain, pero 7-Eleven pa rin tayo, guys.
Malay mo may pad thai sa 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven. Let's go! Excited na akong kumain. So, nandito na tayo sa second branch ni Daddy. Yes, kung di tatanong, guys, contractor po yung tatay ko. Tara. Wow, parang sarap nito. Ano na naman to? Bakit ang dami na naman?
Ito yung kinuha ko kasi patay gutom ako.
Water check. Mountain Dew Zero check. Another mukbang. 100 kilo challenge.
Tinahin natin tong
Gogi Mandu. Ganito yung tsura niya, parang siyang siomay. Sarap!
Dito ko lang to natitikman.
Wow, ang daming laman. Liempo.
Sa akin, chicken. Kimchi rice talaga?
Bumili din pala ako ng laing.
Laing. Hindi ko siya bet. Pwede dessert?
May dessert pa?
Busog na naman! Next
Kaya
stop!
naman-
Next stop na namin is dinner!
It's dinner time! So, it's 7:17 na ng gabi and medyo nagugutom na tong tao na to. Saan kaya tayo kakain? Ayan, saan pa ba? May sisig, oh. Let's eat this. Guys, may Bicol Express. Okay, mukbang na naman. Kuya, pabili nito lahat. Okay, guys, mag-haul na naman tayo, no? Tara. Guys, una natin titikman nitong chicken fillet nila.
Parang,
Parang family chicken nga. Sarap.
ano natin ng bulgagi. Sarap, di ba? Sarap!
Unboxing! Sana secret.
Oh my gosh! Ang sarap nito! Ngayon lang namin na-explore yung mga pagkain sa 7-Eleven sa Pinas.
Sausaw natin to sa sabaw ng Bicol Express. Okay, next naman namin natitikman na itong sisig. Masarap naman pag maasim. Grabe guys, nabusog talaga ako, malala. Kaya naman, kung may challenge pa kayo guys, i-comment nyo lang dyan at gagawin namin yan. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Wow, vlogger.
Uy, pre.
Oh, bakit pre?
Tignan mo, may magjowang naglalakad.
Eh di sana all may jowa. Buti na lang, single tayo.
Magbe-break din kayo! Ready ako single. May jowa ako.
Ba, di ba sabi sa'yo, wala muna magjojowa?
Huwag ka nang bitter. Alam ko nga may nagka-crush sa'yo eh.
Titigilan mo ako sa pagka-crush-crush na yan, ha? Sino ba yan?
Nasa taas.
Wala naman eh.
Baka nasa baba.
Wala din.
Alam ko na. Nasa gitna. Ayan.
Eto ba? Hi, baby! Tumatawag si Crush. Hello? Hello, good morning. Oh, napatawag ka. Tatanong ko lang sana kung nagawa mo na yung assignment natin. May assignment tayo? Oo, yung sa libro, tignan mo. Sige. Nakita mo na? Ang dali lang pala eh. Talaga? May sagot ka na ba? Oo, ang sagot ko ay ikaw. Ha? Ba't ako? Eh kasi tinatanong dito kung ano pangarap ko eh. Eh di ikaw.
Lalambingin, alaga, ikaw lang ang tatabi.
That's why I say, hey, nobody gonna love me better. I must stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I must stick with you.
My head, I don't know what you're thinking. Now to the ground and pull of the ring and said, baby Juliet, you'll never have to be alone. I love you.
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy, go crazy.
Go stupid. But you smart like an A+ student.
Just as long as you twerk, yeah, she for me. So darling, darling, twerk for me, twerk.
Je suis trop loin pour toi. Bonne de mes copines, oh mes copines, oh mes copines. La plus bonne de mes copines.
First things first, let me get that introduction. We on the long road to self-destruction. You were so in love, you weren't gonna tell me nothing. Let me get this pill, cause I had no idea. I feel like I did too much. I feel like I did too much.
Puso yun lang talaga, kaya umawa. Sa aking kamay, hanggang ibigay. Lahat ng naisip mo parang sa ating paglalakbay. Ang kamay, sa aking ibigay. Hindi ka bibitawan, saan man mapunta ang biyahe natin mga.
بحبك 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 حطي
راسك المخدة جوا قلبي ما في
I just want you back. I'm running to your side, flying.
beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby. I'm in a relationship with all my bitches, yeah. I need to cut some of them off, I need help. I got some bad things I want her to myself. Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I don't wanna make the girl go crazy when you treat her like you're number one, baby.
Now shaking, drinking all this coffee. This last few weeks have been and there's nothing I'd rather do. I'm stuck with you, stuck with you, stuck with you. Come ahead and drive me insane, baby. Why you're my
off coach. The way you got me playing the field, so baby give me that, and let me give you that. Running her hands through my fro, bouncing on 24s. Why they say I'm on the radio? It's the remix to Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every hotter than lava anytime you run in winter. Girl, let me see how you a bad body sipping while you sit on punish. Yeah, me in a that. So me say me, girl, let me see how you a bad body smoking when you block it. Yeah, me in a that. You so mad, girl, wine your body. Yeah, move it for me. Yeah, wine your body.
Randy, Kiko el Crazy.
Se acabó la cuarentena, el cuerpo lo sabe y la calle está llena.
Se acabó
la cuarentena, el cuerpo.
I did it my Valentine, yeah.